Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today we're talking about when and how to harvest Swiss chard, so you can enjoy all its amazing benefits. Swiss chard grows fast. It's usually ready to harvest just 4 to 6 weeks after planting. And the best part? One crop can keep supplying fresh leaves for months. The perfect time to harvest is when the leaves reach about 6 to 8 inches tall. For the freshest taste and texture, harvest early in the morning while the leaves are still cool and full of moisture. To harvest, use a knife, scissors, or even your fingers to cut the outer leaves right at the base of the plant. Leave the central leaves untouched so the plant keeps producing. This technique is called cut and come again. By harvesting outer leaves and leaving the center to grow, you'll enjoy a continuous supply of Swiss chard throughout the season. Swiss chard is an incredibly nutrient-dense leafy green that is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which collectively contribute to its reputation as one of the healthiest options available for cultivation in the garden. This versatile vegetable not only boasts impressive nutritional benefits but also exhibits the ability to thrive in a variety of growing conditions. With its remarkably swift growth rate and extended harvest period, Swiss chard truly exemplifies the characteristics of a resilient and productive garden powerhouse, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. Whether utilized in salads, sautéed dishes, or blended into smoothies, Swiss chard offers a plethora of culinary possibilities, all while fostering a healthy and vibrant lifestyle. Therefore, there you have it, the clear and effective method that has been shown for you to successfully harvest Swiss chard. This approach not only ensures that you can gather this delicious leafy green with ease, but also allows you to relish in the benefits of fresh, nutritious greens throughout the entirety of the growing season. By following the steps provided, you can maximize your yield and enjoy the wholesome flavors and health advantages that Swiss chard offers. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to show your appreciation by liking it, leaving your thoughts in the comments section, and sharing it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts who might also benefit from the tips and insights. Your engagement not only helps us grow our community, but also spreads the joy of gardening. So let's connect and inspire more people together. Wishing you all a wonderful time as you embark on your harvesting journey. Happy gardening!